Each day, 11,000 patients are admitted to the NHS, each with their own individual needs. And each one needs treating and discharging. CareMed is here to help. Watch the following video before your purchase, and thanks for choosing CareMed. We decided to show you how the CH5 chair works with an airline safety demonstration. Please sit back and enjoy your flight. Enjoy your demo.
Welcome to your CareMed chair demo. Before we begin, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell at the top of the screen.
Please ensure all equipment is securely positioned. Standard loads should be stowed safely on the chair provided. For larger loads, our bariatric seating range is available from your friendly CareMed crew.
To lie the chair flat, place your finger on the auto flat button at the bottom of your handset. If there is ever any question regarding the chair, be sure to ask a CareMed team member for assistance. You can do this by calling our main switchboard. Our team is always happy to help. Now let's review the safety features of the CH5. In the unlikely case of an emergency, the chair can lie fully flat and can be put into a Trendelenburg position. To exit the chair, you can be laterally transferred or use the Sarah Steady. The crew is pointing out the exits now. Remember, it may be beside you. Most chairs are fitted with wings or laterals. Untie or lift to swing out, and always secure one before adjusting the other.
All chairs come with removable cushions on the seat and backrest. You can release these by simply lifting up and unclipping the cushions, allowing for full deep cleaning.
Brakes are fitted to the front and rear casters, as well as tracking casters at the front. You can engage them by pressing down, and to disengage them, simply lift up to release.
All chairs come with tilt and full leg rest and backrest adjustment. Please ensure the chair is in its upright position for storage and non-patient transport.
In the likely case of a pat slide, the crew members will place the slide on both the chair and the bed. Please ensure all crew member instructions are followed when transferring patients. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy your flight. Or chair? If you have any questions regarding the chair, please refer to our instruction manual on our website or call for a member of the crew via our switchboard. CareMed is proud to support early mobilization and getting patients home quicker.
On behalf of all of us,
thank you for choosing CareMed. Thank you for choosing CareMed.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the flight deck, cabin crew, please prepare the aircraft for early mobilization and cross-check and arm doors. Thank you.